Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So the other day, I finished my work, and on my way driving back to home and or go to other place. Anyway, on my way driving, I saw the beautiful scene, the beautiful street, and the beautiful foliage. And it's just so touching. It's so, what other word can I find except beautiful? It touches my heart. It fills my heart with joy, with this unspeakable appreciation. How lucky are we to see sunshine, to see the foliage, to see the beautiful color, the changing of color, to see the seasons, to see the evolution of nature, of ourselves, from a stressed classroom, or maybe not stressed, a tiring, or maybe not tiring, or highly excited, or whichever word you use, come to this calm and natural scene. I'm very happy, very, very happy. So I am using this backdrop to do a voiceover. And recently I received one friend comment, and their pet is in pain. So they asked me to just blah 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 a little bit. I am not professional. I cannot give any professional advice. But I feel that a lot of time we need just to be heard. We just need to hear and to be heard. We need a support, a spiritual support when we feel lonely, when we feel sad, when we feel that our capacity is limited, when we feel that we cannot control the world around us. We need some support, some spiritual companion. That's what I'm thinking. So let's talk about this pain of pets, pain of the people we care about, pain of the things we care about, pain about a plant that is suffering without enough water, pain about a living thing that can feel anything. Sometimes we are blinded by our own emotion, and we sink into a dark tunnel that we cannot see the whole perspective of things. When the thing we care about, our pet, our loved one, they are in trouble. If we are not doctor, even if we are doctor, we cannot get all of the trouble away. We cannot solve all the pain they suffer. But what we can do, at least, is to save ourselves from the insane suffering, from the insane loss of direction, into finding a ground that center ourselves. That is, understand our capacity and make the best of it. Make our capacity to reach to the maximum within our capacity. What we can do if the pet is suffering, make a softer bed, get the best treat. Usually we do not treat our pets everything they want. Now they are pain. They are in pain. They gained the right to be spoiled. They deserve to be spoiled. Then spoil it. Spoil them. Right? Get the best food, get the best a toy, get the best comfort place, and get the longest time of hugging, as much as you can give, as softer as you can give, as strong as you can give, as just as good as you can give, right? That's the only thing we can do. Maybe my brain is limited. This is as far as what I can think about, is to treat the pet with something they deserve. And beyond that is beyond our ability. It pains, maybe it needs to pain, right? It's heaven's purpose to make it pain, so that they will learn something. They will learn not to jump from high place. They will learn not to go into the thorn place. They will learn not to fight with a bigger dog or cat. They will learn not to touch a hot surface. They will learn to be careful, right? If one time they do not learn, maybe second times, third times, it's their life. Cat has 9 lives. You have done the best you can. Now you need to focus yourself to provide the best support for the poor cat, for the poor pet, for the pet who needs your care. Do I make any sense? More than that, it's impossible and incorrect, right? Because you may not be qualified to do more than what you can. That's the thing we do. And this makes me to think about other things in life. There are a lot of things beyond our capacity. We see people suffering. Sometimes heaven has a purpose for the suffering to give to the person who is suffering. Sometimes, I'm sorry to say it, cold-blooded, maybe they deserve it. Maybe they deserve it because it will bring a better future, a better outcome out of it. I personally do not know what it will bring, but I know everything has a purpose. This purpose may be beyond our comprehension. Maybe because we cannot see avenir, see future, prévoyant, right? Maybe we cannot see future before it happens. But but I'm sorry, my family is making some sound. But we can always understand. Sorry, I'm lost a little bit. Maybe we cannot see the purpose of it at this moment, but later, when this is over, when the results start to show up, the result may show up within a day, within a month, within a year, within a lifetime, or beyond a lifetime, but the result will come. A lot of things I cannot process, I cannot understand. So I kind of build up my believing system. My believing system is this world is fair. Every effort I make will bring back good result to me. Every bad thing I have done will eventually find my way. Karma does not mess around with address. Karma knows when, where, and how to find every deed we have done. So this is my believing system. Maybe this is not yours, and this is the way to get me through a lot of things that I do not feel fair. At this moment is not fair. In the long run, I can deal with it. It's not fair. I feel it's not fair. I can swallow it so that I can live my life. I can live my life until I see the day that justice is made. The justice may be just small, tiny things. It includes your boss saying something to you, your colleague did something to you, you feel not justified. Maybe you do not understand the suffering they are going through, the hardship they are going through, the inconvenience they are going through. As long as I know something is not right, let me hope tomorrow will be good and live my life the right way, my best way, my honest way. Things will become better. Things will change. Everything will be put into place. This is a little bit like an empty talk, and I do not have a scientific proof for this, and I do not have scientific theory about it. But anyway, this is something that works for me. I do not try to persuade you to accept this, but building your believing system so that you can live your life with calm, with ease. That believing is a cornerstone for me to live my life, to carry on, to get through things that I feel that I cannot get through. Is that a little bit deeper than just the pain of the cat leg, right? But the thing is the same, and the theory is the same. Pain may not be the worst thing, right? Pain may be a gift from heaven to avoid bad things from further happening. Maybe it's a way to connect you with your pet. All the suffering we are having, all the inconvenience we are having, for people, for animal, for anything in this world, there is a purpose. Accept it without questioning it, without thinking too much about where you are at, how you can adjust it, how you can justify it. Accept it for a moment and carry on and live on. And live with the faith that one day you will see the result. Do I make any sense? If you, in any kind of inconvenience, annoyance, hardship, suffering, take it as a blessing in disguise. A blessing déguisée. Thank you. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye bye.